Intellectual output 2. Mentimeter. Here's the table of content. 1. General information. What is the Mentimeter? 2. Web 2.0 presentation. 3. Interaction and participatory. 4. Attractive design. 5. Quick and easy. What is the Mentimeter? Mentimeter is the alternative to PowerPoint that does all the usual presentation slide deck work you might expect from a presentation tool and more. A presentation tool, a survey application, and an audience engagement platform. Web 2.0 presentation, the application leading the Web 2.0 presentation tool. If Google Slides has inherited the Web 1.0 legacy of PowerPoint, it is Mentimeter that is doing something new and pioneering the presentation tool of Web 2.0, where the speaker is no longer the sole focus and emphasis is instead placed on audience participation. Interaction and participatory. Interaction, engagement, and inclusion are no longer an occasional novelty but are becoming an expectation and increasingly varied aspects of our daily lives, and presentation and meetings are the latest addition to that list. Attractive design. Combining easy-to-use and attractive design, a familiar and user-friendly interface, and the added wow factor of audience engagement, Mentimeter is the choice for presenters who want to go extra mile and to create presentations of tomorrow, today. Quick and easy. Great design makes creating beautiful slides